Hey, Cook Chef Kendra here, and today we are making honey roasted peanuts. These are delicious, they're sweet, they're crunchy, so let's do what we do and make it happen. For these honey roasted peanuts, we have a little bit of sea salt, sugar, water, roasted peanuts, and honey. Okay guys, we have this large pan, and what we're going to do here is we're going to get in basically all the ingredients except the nuts. So the water goes in, the sugars. I'm going to get this thing over medium heat. A little bit of sea salt, the honey, now a lot of people are like, what honey? What kind of honey? What's your favorite honey? Doesn't matter what my favorite honey is. Just make sure that you get the kind of honey you like, and make sure you get real honey. It's a thing going around where there's a lot of fake honey out there. You're paying for real honey and you're getting fake honey. So we're gonna stir this around until the sugar has dissolved. You can grab this and other 5 recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. It's starting to bubble up a little bit. Now we're gonna add our nuts to our pan. Stir these around. And we're gonna stir every once in a while, and we're gonna cook these for about 7 or 8 minutes. This is what we want. We want this start to turn a little brown, just a tiny touch, and we want almost all of it basically gone. We're going to remove it from the heat, and we're going to stir. Just stir it. I mean, it's just really no other way to explain it. Just keep stirring. Then we're going to put it back on the heat, and we're going to put the pan over low. And see that? That's just what we want. Where it looks a little sandy. See? Now we're going to melt the sugar just a little. And to clean this, guys, is a breeze. You just put it under really hot water and the sugar will melt. Don't taste this. Don't put it in your mouth. Do not do it. This is really hot right now, and it will burn your tongue. That's it, guys. I'm going to turn off the heat. Bring this over to the silpat. Get them on here. Spread them out with our spatula or a spoon or whatever you're using. And let them cool completely before you dig in. Yo, share my videos and my recipes. And if you haven't already, subscribe. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.